Hey guys, so today I wanted to make an announcement. I have created a pre-sale for my course. I've created the outline of what the course is going to look like, and I will put that in the description below if you guys want to check that out. There's going to be a $150 off right now for the pre-sale. So the pre-sale is going to be going on until the course actually releases. It will be released on April 30th at the absolute latest, but I'm going to try to get it done before that. So if you guys do want to get in at the 347 price rather than the 497, which it's going to be regularly, then make sure you guys check out the link in the description below and you can see the outline of the course and check it out. And if you do want to sign up there, I'll have the coupon code in the description below so you can get the $150 off pre-sale. And you won't have access to the course until it actually does come out, but it's a good way to get into the course at a earlier price, and then that way I can gauge the interest in it too and see if it's worthwhile or not. If I don't get anyone signing up before like April 1st, then I probably won't go ahead with the course. But I'm thinking that people are going to sign up because there's going to be a lot of very helpful information in there to help you guys grow your business. And I just wanted to share this photo with you. It's a kind of a cool thing of what you need to do in a year to earn $1 million in revenue. So the first thing is sell a $200 product to 5,000 people. Now, that might sound pretty tough, but when you're reaching Amazon's millions of customers and their billions of views to their website, it's actually not as tough as you guys may think. So, sell a $200 product to 5,000 people or a $500 product to 2,000 people. I mean, most people aren't going to be selling $4,000 products, but you only do need to sell it to 250 people to earn the $1 million. I've sold, I think, one MacBook for like $5,000 before, but other than that, I don't really sell that high valued products, so that is pretty tough to do. But it's also cool to look at like what you would need to get people on a monthly subscription in order to earn $1 million. So if you get 250 people at $333 a month for 12 months, that's $1 million, which actually doesn't sound that tough. 250 people in the world, out of the whole world, that you have to get to sign up to something. So if you have a subscription of some sort or a course that requires a monthly fee or kind of whatever that you would have as a subscription based business, the one I like the most is the 1,000 people pay $83 a month for 12 months, and that gives you $1 million. That doesn't actually sound that tough. I mean, of course it is. It's not easy to earn $1 million and have people flocking to your subscription and paying all that money, but it is definitely doable. And I just want to show you guys this and start this video off with kind of giving you guys some inspiration to know that it is not necessarily easily attainable. It still takes a lot of hard work, but it is attainable. And if you guys set your goals high enough and work hard enough, it is possible. So let's get into, this is going to be a quick video on tactical arbitrage. This is my favorite program by far, and I just want to thank everyone who has signed up so far to the $1 10-day trial. You guys have been awesome. I'm at like a 35% conversion rate for anyone who clicks on the link in the description below. So it's like, which is like unheard of with affiliate marketing, and it's because this program is just that good, and it's very reasonably priced for how many profitable products you can find. Let's have a look. I ran a scan earlier today, and it just finished now, so I ended it before this video. But let's just see what we have here. I haven't actually checked through these yet, but we'll just have a quick look. So what I was doing is I was searching from toysrus.ca and searching for comparing the prices to amazon.com. So let's have a look. toysrus.ca, this Freddy or something. 5 Nights at Freddy's Place. So it's available in store, but it's not available via ship to home. So let's just see. So you can buy 5 of them. So let's see. On Amazon.com, It is selling for, let's see here, $48.99. And then if you wanted to get it sent to Canada, then it would be an additional $13. But as we can see, $48.99 US. So if we can convert Canadian dollars to US dollars, $48.99, because I'm sourcing from Canada, will turn into $61.66 Canadian, whereas this would just cost us $29.99 Canadian. And you get the full tax back because it's going to be something that's sold for resale in a different country, so you're not going to be required to collect tax on that. So you're going to get the full tax back. So it's going to cost you $30, and you're going to get $61.66. So all your Toys R Us, pick this up, pick 5 of them up, and that's going to be an easy $150 profit for picking up 5 units. So that's a great product to sell. Let's see what else we got here. Bang the Walking Dead. So this is again from Toys R Us. This one's sold out, so we won't look into this one. Let's see. A Big Talker, WWE. So this one is sold out, but it is available for free in-store pickup. And this one doesn't have a limit. So these are the ones that I really like to buy, because if they have 100 of them in store, you can buy all 100 of them, and you're going to make a lot more profit. So let's just see. What does it looks like? Let's have a look here. $42.99. So that $42.99 will $11. So if you are looking at $24.99 to $50, so basically another $30 profit per unit, and so another $30 per unit. But if you buy 100 of those, that is $3,000 that you can make from one product if you get 100 of them at $30 profit each. So definitely good to look within Canada, and then source from within Canada, and then sell in the States, just because of our conversion rate. And yeah, examples, I just ran this scan earlier today, so it pulled 46 products, and I have quite a strict criteria that I put through in the filters, because you can see the sales ranks of this one is 27,000, which on the Amazon.com marketplace sells very quickly. And then that other one that I showed you, the 93,000. So basically anything under 100,000 is going to sell quickly, especially on Amazon.com. So definitely, I will put a link in the description below for the Tactical Arbitrage trial. Guys, give this a try. If you don't like it, the worst case is you just lost $1. You get a 10-day trial for only $1. In order to get the 10-day trial, because Tactical Arbitrage offers a 7-day trial, but in order to get the 10-day trial, you have to use my coupon code, which is Amazon and eBay Guru, all one word. I'll put that the information to that in the description below also. But yeah, make sure you guys give it a try. Run the scan. As you can see, if you could get 100 of that unit, that's $3,000 profit right there. And then the other one would have been 150 because there was a max of 5 units. So make sure you guys look for the items that don't require a limit, because that's where you can make a lot of money really quickly, especially if the sales rank is good. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. It's just a quick overview and showing you kind of a couple products that I found that would be definitely profitable on Amazon.com. And you guys don't have to just search from within Canada or within the United States. You can search from within many different countries, because a lot of different countries are supported with Tactical Arbitrage, and find products that will be profitable and then have them sent to Amazon FBA, and they will handle all the customer service and the shipping. So it naturally becomes passive income at that point, and that's when you sit at home or sit wherever you go on vacation and have that money still coming in, and still being able to have those products shipped out even while you're out of town. That's the best type of income to have. So thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.